The symphony of sound, why ear health matters. Our ears are remarkable organs. They capture sound waves from our surroundings. Our brains then transform these waves into meaningful sounds. This symphony of sounds connects us to the world. We use our hearing to communicate with loved ones. We enjoy music and the sounds of nature. Good hearing keeps us safe. We can hear warning signals like alarms and sirens. Imagine your life without the joy of music. Think about the challenges of not hearing a loved one's voice. Protecting our hearing is essential for our overall well-being, yet many people take their hearing for granted. We often neglect our ear health until problems arise. Just like any other part of our body, our ears need proper care. We need to protect them from damage. We need to nourish them with the right nutrients. By understanding the importance of ear health, we can enjoy the symphony of sounds throughout our lives. Let's explore some common threats to our hearing and discover how we can protect these precious sensory organs. Discordant notes, common threats to ear health. In today's world, our ears face numerous threats. Exposure to loud noises is a major culprit. This includes everything from concerts and sporting events to traffic and construction work. Over time, loud noises can damage the delicate hair cells in our inner ears. These hair cells are responsible for converting sound vibrations into electrical signals that our brains interpret as sound. Another common problem is age-related hearing loss. As we age, the hair cells in our ears naturally deteriorate. This leads to a gradual decline in hearing. Certain medical conditions, such as diabetes and heart disease, can also impact ear health. Even ear infections, which are common in children, can lead to temporary or, in some cases, permanent hearing loss if left untreated. Protecting our ears from these threats is vital. We can use earplugs in noisy environments. Regular hearing checkups are crucial to detect any problems early on, but sometimes we need an extra boost to support our ear health. Zeneara, a harmonious solution for your ears. Zeneara capsules offer a natural way to support your ear health. Formulated with a unique blend of natural ingredients, Zeneara provides the essential nutrients your ears need to function optimally. Unlike conventional ear health supplements, Zeneara focuses on supporting the nerve environment of the ear. Our ears rely on a complex network of nerves to transmit sound signals to the brain. Zeneara's ingredients work synergistically to nourish and protect these delicate nerves, ensuring clear and efficient sound transmission. Section 4. Nature's Symphony, Unveiling Zeneara's Ingredients. What sets Zeneara apart is its unique blend of natural ingredients. Each ingredient is carefully selected for its specific benefits for ear health. Let's take a closer look at the key components of this powerful formula, ginkgo biloba. This ancient herb is known for its cognitive enhancing properties. Ginkgo biloba improves blood flow to the brain, including the areas responsible for processing sound. Resveratrol, found in grapes and red wine, resveratrol is a powerful antioxidant. It protects the delicate hair cells in the inner ear from damage caused by free radicals. Alpha-lipoic acid. This fatty acid is another potent antioxidant. It helps to protect the nerves in the ear from oxidative stress, which can lead to hearing loss. Vitamin B12 and this essential vitamin plays a crucial role in nerve health. It supports the myelin sheath, a protective layer that surrounds nerve fibers, ensuring efficient signal transmission. These ingredients, combined in precise ratios, work together to create a harmonious symphony of support for your ear health. Section 5. Nourishing the soundscape. How Zeneara supports ear health. Zeneara's unique formula provides comprehensive support for your ear health in several ways. Enhanced blood flow, ginkgo. Biloba improves blood circulation to the inner ear, ensuring that the delicate hair cells and nerves receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function correctly. Antioxidant protection. Resveratrol and alpha-lipoic acid protect the ear from oxidative stress, a major contributor to age-related hearing loss. Nerve support. Vitamin B12 nourishes and protects the myelin sheath, ensuring efficient signal transmission from the ear to the brain. By addressing these critical aspects of ear health, Zeneara helps to maintain optimal hearing function and protect against age-related decline. Section 6. Tune in to better hearing with Zeneara. Zeneara capsules offer a natural and effective way to support your ear health. By nourishing the nerve environment of the ear, Zeneara helps to maintain optimal hearing function and protect against age-related decline. The unique blend of ginkgo biloba, resveratrol, alpha-lipoic acid and vitamin B12 provides comprehensive support for your ears, from enhancing blood flow to protecting against oxidative stress. Don't take your hearing for granted. Take a proactive approach to your ear health with Zeneara. Experience the difference that natural, comprehensive ear health support can make in your life. Tune in to Better Hearing with Zeneara.